Hey guys, Dylan from DP Workshop in Brisbane, Australia. Just thought I'd show a video about my platform for my Subaru Outback for day trips or camping, etc. It's just to raise the fridge off the floor on this fridge slide I made. Cargo goes here, tie down hooks, whatever you want can be tied down here, it's not going to go anywhere. Just made with 25 square steel with these braces and rivets and hard resin joiners. That's the best way to get this 1.6mm square steel, actually get the frame square. And there's a 12mm MDF top with marine carpet on top, aluminium trim to finish, slide out drawer with the runners and a bit of angle. Basically there's about 230mm space underneath the platform. Under here, under the drawer, I put a long pull-out plastic box with takes heaps of gear. Under this side I use 3 separate plastic tubs for various food supplies or wet goods and other stuff. I just had to make this because there's nothing commercially available for the Subaru Outback. Everything commercially available was way too heavy, had drawers underneath which I didn't want, which added to the weight, and I made the fridge slide to suit my needs. And here, look at the size of the commercial Waco fridge slide versus the slide I made. I wanted a size to suit my Waco 40 litre and nothing more. I made my slide out of all aluminium except the commercial actual slides on the side. This Waco slide is fully steel and weighs about 17 kilos. Very heavy. So here is the underside of my platform. I use big washers to secure the fridge slide to the platform. Every eye bolt has got a T-nut on the underside. Easiest way to keep the nut in place in timber. There's the slide and the angle for the table. That's about it.